Hello, quick update with my skin. I look so good today and sana magtuloy-tuloy. Parang nag-fade na papunta yung acne scars ko. Konting redness na lang. Tapos my skin is glowing. Yun yung napansin ko. I'm using a lot of products. Lumiere, aerosol soap. Tapos yung retinol from The Ordinary. So yun lang. Update lang ko kayo. Bye. That's 1 minute. See you next time.